may iba naman tayo ngayon. Titingnan natin kung saan naabot yung $100. Hi guys, hindi ko na malala kung kailan ako last nag-splurge. Yung tipong shopping talaga na walang iniisip na budget. We'll see kung saan naabot tong 100 natin. So first stop, let's go
Ross
to
and Didi's?
Ross and Didi's. Okay, let's go.
Kelly, this is your favorite?
Didi's or Ross? Okay, let's go Didi's first. Na-miss ko na naman yung nagtatrabaho ako. Yung nagsha-shopping ka talagang bili ka lang ng bili kung anong nakikita mo. Hindi mo na nga tinitingnan yung presyo. Pero syempre, ngayon iba na. You want, Kelly, new pillow case? New pillows? So you like this?
Yep. It's perfect.
Honey, pwede naman tanggalin siguro. Tsaka mo lang isuot pag bayad na. Ayan. Oh, meron din siyang napili sa kanya.
Yes.
At least lahat masaya. May kay Carlo. Eto kay Brent. Soccer ball.
Let's see how
Eto
we can
kay
stretch
Kelly.
$100.
Another one for Kelly. Eto naman, shoes for Kelly. Last one for Kelly. Another one for Carlo. And ako. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng wala tayo. Do it yourself. Ganon talaga siguro. Pag bunso, parang medyo nasuspoil no? Mas marami yung kay Kelly kaysa sa amin lahat. And natawa ko kasi parang may naligaw doon na yun nga, yung kay Carlo na avocado oil. Thank you. Healthy han. So anyway guys, mission accomplished.
78.
Mission accomplished. We got it. We stretched $100.
No more Ross. Next time na lang tayo mag-Ross kasi ubos na yung budget. We got around $20 left pangkain. Asan eh? Oh, suot na niya. Oo. Next stop is to
Arby's.
Racing Canes.
Racing.
I-avail natin tong voucher ni Brent. Binigay nung pagkatapos nung season nila, football. Tama ba? Football, honey?
Yeah.
Football.
No, baseball.
Sorry, baseball. May binigyan sila nitong voucher. So, kukunin natin. Drive through because we know that they don't have rice. So, we'll just get this. Thank you. So, dapat mag-Jollibee, at least doon may rice. Kaso, may dandaanan kami ito Arby's. Since hindi pa namin na-try, kaya tara, itatry natin. Mostly talaga dito walang rice, kaya forget rice. So, we ordered chicken wrap sandwich for me and Carlo, barbecue sa akin, sa kanya honey mustard, and then mac and cheese for Kelly. Surprisingly, affordable din pala dito sa Arby's. So, we paid around $18 lang. So, we have $3 left for the budget today. O, saan ka pa? So, budgeting check. Money management check. Family time check. So, ganyan lang guys. Simplihan lang yung buhay. Hindi naman kailangan natin ng mga mamahalin at magagarang damit or mga gamit. Importante, good health, sama-sama, and pananampalataya. So, yun lang. Bye! Nice shoes, Kelly. From Disney Stitch.